what will be the future of robotics engineering? That is the question most of you have. We will figure out what is the future of robotics in two videos. This is the part 1 of it. The part 2 will come soon. In this particular video, I will just share my perspective. Then in the second part, we will discuss about the analysis of it, means what actually the data says. Okay, so that's the thing. If you have not still subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it, because I know most of you watch and you don't subscribe. I have seen the analytics, so just go and subscribe. The thing is, the future of robotics, it might be very confusing, means what it is going to happen. Okay, we will divide in two parts. Okay, we have two main important things: jobs, and then what are the opportunities. Okay, because this is the primary focus of each and every one. But my perspective is about that robotics is not the thing that just started. It has started from a very long time. Right now it is in boom, means the amount of investment, then the robot installation in different industries is increasing day by day. So when there is a demand, then you have to supply. This is my basic perspective. If there is a demand, then definitely you will get the opportunity. My perspective is, I don't see only in terms of you have to learn a technical thing and then you will get that opportunity. That might be something different. You might do some kind of different things, different opportunities, might be in education sector, might be in industries, different sectors of industries. So it depends on you, how you see the opportunity. That's my perspective. It is not only about, okay, what is the future of robotics engineering, you will get a job. No, that's not the thing. That is not the right assumption. That might fail, right? But we can see the opportunity in terms of, if there is a demand, we can supply. It doesn't matter how we supply. The supply can be in the form of labor, means job, doing a new business. Okay, that can also be the thing, means two things. Now the thing is, means, is it futuristic? Means these are the opportunities in the future, but is it future proof? Means that might be the question. Simple answer is, let's say the IT field, right, which started long back ago, right? There were companies who provided IT services. Now might be the point of saturation is coming. Robotics is also in the evolving stage. So the basic logic says, if there are a few people, you will get the opportunity for sure. Okay, this is not any kind of recommendation I am giving, it is just my perspective. So you might get the opportunity, may not. The thing is, I see the potential, because simple thing, the demand and supply rule, and still there is less competition compared to the other fields. So if you can go for robotics, then there will be competition. I'm not saying you will not get any competition, but less competition compared to other fields. So there are high chances you might get some opportunity. Having said that, it completely depends on you, how you will work. And the future is going to be about the AI thing. Everyone knows that AI is going to make the revolution. We have made videos on what is AI and the basics of it, means the basic perspective is shared on the different videos. But the thing is, AI is going to come, then there will be need of some hardware. That hardware is nothing but robotics. Simple logic. So this is the primary thing, means very simple logics. You just have to connect the dots. That's the thing. Don't worry, we are going to discuss the analysis part in the part 2, but this is just a perspective video, means you should get ready to see what actually the potential can be. It is not only about getting a job. Will I get a job, will I do this and that? No, you cannot do anything. You have to first of all study the field. Okay, means just it's a kind of, what can I say, just my way of explanation, that please take it lightly. Means you can do anything, that's for sure, but keep your focus broad. Don't only keep it limited. So the thing is, it has potential in the future. How it has, you have to see the data. You have to upgrade yourself for sure in any field. See, the thing is, even if robotics has potential, if you don't do anything, then even if the field has potential, there is no use. So the primary focus is you and your skills. What skills? Currently robotic software side is good, that's the market says. and other sides as well. Education is also good. So these sectors are good as of now, but in future it will be technology, then even education might be there, then many things will be there. That's what I am saying. It's not only about one thing, it's multiple things that we have to connect the dot. Okay, if we want to build a robot, there is a requirement of the education, then you need the technology, means that might be software, hardware, designing, then team building, then you need the infrastructure for that, then what you need, marketing, sales, everything is required. Okay, still we have not said everything, but that's what I am saying. Okay, these are everything which are required for any field. So you have to see what might be the potential. Okay, anyone cannot make video that okay, future will be this and that. No one can predict 100% future. So this is the reality. Might I will not get more views if I say these things, but the thing is, this is the reality you should see. It's not a guaranteed way, but yeah, it has potential for sure. But how you go, how you build up, that's the only thing. We will do the analysis in the next part, but yeah, this was the thing. If you have anything to discuss, please comment below and make sure to subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram and connect me over LinkedIn as well. Thanks for watching this video, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Bye.